Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Okay, I'll try them, they'll give it to me. Okay, so
Can you brief the president on the security situation in your state? What did he tell you?
Yeah, you see, we discussed about the security, not just my state, but the northern region, because of the current escalation of all the issues of this insecurity. I briefed him, and the governor of Niger too briefed him. So, President has assured us that action will be taken about what we have discussed on that issue of the insecurity in the state.
So what is the situation now in Zamfara state?
Well, for now, alhamdulillah, for the first 4 days, no incidents were recorded by the security. But yet we are doing our best, and the security are doing their best to make sure that they tackle all the challenges. But I assure you that we are on top of the matter, and the president has assured all of us that he is going to take more measures on the issue of insecurity of the northern part of the country.
Is it safe to assume that security is gradually coming back to the entire north?
Yes, I can see, but now it's gradually coming back. But the security are doing their best now, particularly on the new security architecture that were changed. Now we are having some improvement on the challenges.
It's rainy season. Farmers want to go back to farm. Can you give guarantee that they can go to farm safely and farm?
Yes, with the action that and the roadmap that we have drawn between the government and the security, we are doing our best to make sure that farmers will go back to their farms and they are going to farm, inshallah. We will do our best to make sure that all people will go back to their farms.
Thank you.
Thank you.